Regarding the Pentair intelliChlor, it is stuck at 100% and it won't change no matter what the customer does, including unplugging it and plugging it back in. Do you have any ideas?
Well, it's got to be one of two things. The unit itself is bad and it's no longer communicating with the command center, or the command board is bad. One of the two things is the only possibilities I can think of. Now, what's the third?
If it's tied in with automation and automation
Well,
is in charge?
well, that's what I was just going to, that
Okay.
was the board I was going to talk about.
Got it.
So really it's one of two things. It's either the onboard guts of the unit itself, or it's the command center. The command center could simply be a separate unit, an on-off unit that's powering that, or it could be part of automation. And either one of those. If the automation is not reading the proper amount of information, you could have a transformer problem in the automation system that's not getting the right voltage to it, or in the command center itself could not be getting the right voltage to the unit and the unit doesn't know what to do. Or you could have a bad board. On any one of those scenarios, either unit itself could be bad, or the command center could be bad, or the board that interfaces with it in automation could be bad. But short of that, it's one of the three things. If it's not responding, there's something on the electrical side that's the problem, not the mechanical side.